A well-manicured golf course is a thing of beauty, but what happens when the PGA comes to town? And who are these turf professionals behind the scenes who dedicate their lives to the perfection of every single inch of the course? Well, I'm about to show you.
I mean, if we're getting rainfall, we lose control of our most important asset. All right, we're going to get going here. We need everybody to listen very carefully. As you well know, weather can have some great impacts on our operation, and tonight is no different.
If it does do that, then it's a scramble to get everything back playable.
Some people may be like trying to figure out why we take the time and we adjust and we tweak and we do all these small little changes each shift to get these lines down, or whatever it is that we're trying to do, and then you get that one TV shot on camera when professional golfers are on your course, and it's a satisfactory element to everything we do.
Beyond the Turf, the John Deere Classic.